have my arbor pressed, and I want to show you some different loud shower steamers. So I'm going to start making those and offering those to my customers. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, my name is Diane and I'm the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is a big surprise. This is a 3D mold and it's something I'm just trying out. I purchased this from Kata Molds, and so this goes right there like that. So I'm going to just fill this up. My mixture is a little bit dry. So let's just put this on top, like so. This might be a little bit thick. Okay, and there's my arbor press. And I'll do another video on this later. You don't want to press too hard on it. Okay, so let's test it and see. Okay. And so I'm tapping it just to loosen everything up. And then you just push it right up. And there you go. All right, let's just put it right on there. So that's what it looks like, very pretty. So you just tap it ever so slightly. And then lift up, and there you go. So here I am just mixing up a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And that's 91%. And you want to use a higher percentage of rubbing alcohol so it doesn't activate the shower steamer. So I'm just going to add just a little bit, maybe like a tablespoon or so, because I don't have much here. I can always add more. It's Gold Sparkle Mica, and this is from Brambleberry. And then this one here is the Copper Sparkle Mica. I showed that earlier. And then I'm just going to stir this up. Yeah, that's quite a bit. Might add a little bit more mica to this one. There. Okay. Alright, and I have my paintbrush and I'm ready to decorate. And if you enjoyed this video, the next video to watch is, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.